Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa XS90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to open the entire tray over here, deep clean the brew unit of the machine, replace the O-ring, deep clean the shower screen, lubricate everything, and replace all the O-rings from the valves of the brew unit as well. Put it back together, descale the machine, clean it around the spouts, clean around these other spouts as well. And yeah, that's what we did. Oh no, yeah, we also had to readjust the grinder. The grinder was not able to be adjusted, so this will just spin freely and it was not engaging with any of the gears in there. So now it actually does. You can go coarser or you can go finer depending what you would like. We had to disassemble the entire grinder, and this is another grinder of a Jura. We had to assemble the entire grinder, deep clean the burrs, deep clean everything, readjust everything, and put it back together. And that's what we did. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test the machine out. As you can see, things are getting grounded right there, and we're gonna be seeing the liquid coming out through here, as well as the foam coming out through this side. We also disassembled this prodder and completely clean it up. As you can see, we're having a nice foam coming out of the spouts, looking excellent. Like I said, we disassembled the entire thing and deep clean it. And you saw that these siphons look pretty good. We also deep cleaned the hose of the machine, soak it on cleaner and hot water. As you can see, we're having a nice steady stream coming out of the cappuccino spout. Excellent color forming at the bottom of the cup, and all this foam nice and pretty. Now we're going to be doing an espresso shot. There you go. One espresso shot. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. This machine is set up to be dispensing 1 ounce of liquid, and as you can see, 1 ounce of liquid with the crema working excellent. Hot water for the machine comes out in a very straight line. Nice flow coming out to the one, working perfectly. So there you have it, Jura Impresa XS90 with the grinder calibrated and clean up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for the premium Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.